Wait. Guys, we're playing Evade today. And I'm running with someone where, someone where hug me. So, some next box. We're playing Evade today. So, like and subscribe. Okay. Why? That's another beat. Wait. Wait, bro. I'm just staring on my screen, help me. Never try to joke. I'm joking, bro. Let's go faster. Go faster. I don't know what's that, but I don't know. I get it. Oh, I can. Ah! There. Fuck. Help me! No way! Help me! I'm gonna die! My help me! Bro! Nice, finish 5. That's very dead all. Wow. Oh wait, I'm the first! Let's go! Okay. The time now is I'm gonna see. Let's look it up. Okay. Right now. Where's how I leave this house? I'm nowhere to be here. Wait a minute. It's this tunnel. I'm just follow there. Just follow. Okay. No, I will follow this guy. Follow this guy. Huh? Why is running? Running for? Yeah, just very. How to open this? Oh no. What now? Oh my god. Where is think we're gonna go, bro? I'm just following. I will be quiet. Nice. You know, guys, we're gonna get. Is this by the guys? Why we need this? We need that. That blueberry. Yes, I don't know. I don't know. This one, I just collect it. What is this? So, okay, quiet mode. Ito ba na? Stop. Stop. What am I doing? Uh-oh. Run. Why is a monster there? So scared. No. Why we're dark? Oh. think I'm going, bro. What's the? Where are the back rooms? I know this is a world of back rooms. Is this again the map? Hmm. 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 Or we're gonna change our map information. I don't think so. Yes, it's so. Okay, shoulder around, guys. Moon jump. Who don't jump so high? We're gonna be strong now, guys. I think we're bunny happy. Boom. My bad. Oh, that's a next boat. Where's that? Wheel! Run faster! Run faster! Run faster! He's on my back. Run faster! Run faster! I got this. Bro, I will die here. I will die here. Okay, it's not here. I will die to that. To death. Okay. No, no, stop. Stop. Oh my god. Bro! How now this? I'm dead, dear. Help me. Help me. Help me, bro. Thanks. Magulay the sky. Is this? Oh my god! I have someone see that smile. I'm scared. Run faster, run. Guys, we won. Survive. I survive. Okay. Maze, guys, maze. Now, guys, we're on the maze. I know this is hard. Hmm. Oh, it's a barrier. Barrier? You? Sure. Okay. I click to. I'm good now. Let's go to. Where's down the next one? Bro, I'm dead. Help me, bro, help. Thanks. Bro, I died again. Help me. Next, but what space? How this? Thanks. Bro! Wait. Bro, guys, I'm dead. So, guys, I will bye to you guys. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And click the bell and like. And you're updated every on my video when I do. And like and subscribe. Bye bye, guys.